Created this really good nutrient dense beet juice featuring grapefruit and apples and lemon and ginger. Stay tuned. So I use red beet root, ginger, red apples, grapefruit, and lemon. And basically, so when you first think about red, you think about blood, right? Well, guess what? It lowers your blood pressure. It helps your heart to function properly. And I don't think the earth makes any mistakes when she created these fruits and vegetables, because if you think about it, like the shape of the golden beet, the lining on the inside, like the detailing and just the smallest things about the beet, it just reminds you of a heart, and it reminds you of like veins and arteries and just overall blood health, which we need. Sometimes we get it from bananas, but a lot of bananas are not even organic bananas to start with, so we're not really getting the sufficient amount of potassium. Of course, the lemon is anti-inflammatory, kills infections, surges antibodies. Ginger, it's great for clearing out your system, great for gut health. Like, this is just the ultimate, like, this is the ultimate heart, blood, major organ juice, and it tastes so good. Like, it's so good. So I taste like the hint of ginger, the citrus from the grapefruit, like, and it's not sour, it's not bitter, it's like, it's good. The apples made it sweet. The golden, I keep saying golden, the red beet makes it sweet as well. It's not as sweet as the golden beet root, but it is sweet, and it's just packed with so many nutrients, and it's so exciting. Okay, so again, I'll link everything that's in this juice in the description box below. I'm also wearing a Do It shirt with a hint of red for my red juice, because honestly, I've been pushing off making this video for 3 days. And Do It just stands for do whatever it takes. So if you want to do something in life, or if you have a goal mainly targeted towards athletes, but you can apply to anyone. If you have something that you want to do, push past the I don't feel like it moments and watch. It's going to be so rewarding. So right now I'm pushing past my I don't feel like it moment, and honestly this juice is like a pick me up. I'm not even lying. So I'm about to get ready to get my Saturday started, and I'm just ready. So make sure you guys do whatever it takes, and